Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is find unit digit in 102 raised to 28, 102 raised to 30 and 102 raised to 31. So last video we saw how to proceed with this type of questions when base number is odd. So similarly when the base number is even, how you can proceed with these kind of questions. So here you are asked to find out the powers of 102. What is the units digit in 102 raised to 28, 102 raised to 30 and 102 raised to 31. So here the base number is 102, which is an even number. So when an even number comes, you have to find out which power of the base number will be giving a 6 in the unit digit. For odd numbers, we have to find out which power will be giving 1 in the unit digit. Similarly, for even numbers, you have to find out which power of the base number will be giving you 6 in the unit digit. So what about 102? 102 square will be having 4 in the unit digit. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 102 cube will be giving 8 in the unit digit. Then 102 raised to 4 will be giving 16 or 6 in the unit digit. So you got your particular power here. Here the power is 4. So that means all the powers which are multiples of 4 also will be giving you 6 in the unit digit. The same as previous video. The only difference is for even numbers you have to find out the power which are multiples, the power of base number which will be giving you 6 in the unit digit. Whereas when the base number is odd, you have to find out which power of the base number will be giving you 1 in the unit digit. So here 102 raised to 28. 28 is a multiple of 4. So without any doubt you can clearly say 102 raised to 28 will be giving 6 in unit digit. Then what about next one? 102 raised to 30. 102 raised to 30 will be 102 raised to 28 into 102 square. So 102 raised to 28 will be already giving you 6 in the unit digit, and 102 square will be giving you 4 in the unit digit. 2 square is equal to 4. So you will be getting 4 in unit digit for 102 raised to 30. Then what about 102 raised to 31? So 102 raised to 31 you will be having 102 raised to 30, you are already having 4 in the unit digit. So 4 into 102 is having 2. So you will be at last having 8 in the unit digit for 102 raised to 31. So one more example. Find unit digit in 78 raised to 101. So 78 raised to 101. The base number is 78, which is even. So since the base number is even, you have to find out the power of the base number which will be giving a unit digit in unit digit is equal to 6. So for all the questions you will be doing in the same way. So what is 78 square will be having 64. So 4 will be there in the unit digit. Then what about 78 cube? 78 cube will be giving 8 into 4. So 32. So 2 will be coming in the units place. Then 78 raised to 4 means 2 is coming in 78 cube. So 2 into 8 will be giving 16, or 6 will be coming in the unit digit. So here also it's 4 only. So all the powers of 4, all the multiples of 4, powers which are multiples of 4 will be giving you unit digit is equal to 1. So how can you write 78 raised to 101? It can be written as 78 raised to 100 into 78. We are splitting up in terms of nearest multiple of 4. So 101 means 100 is the nearest multiple of 4. So 78 raised to 100 into 78. 78 raised to 100 will be having 6 in the unit place. The powers, all the powers which are multiples of 4 will be having 6 in the unit place. So 6 into 8. 6 into 8 will be giving you 48, or 8 will be there in the unit place. So 78 raised to 101 will be having 8 in the unit place. Thank you for watching.